Bro, you exhausted, broken, lonely because you're chasing the very things that you already are. And until you see that, you gonna keep running in circles, bro. I said you're exhausted because honestly, bro, you're chasing something that you already have. You already have it. Let me tell you something, bro. Desperation, that repels, man. Presence attract. Confidence attract. The energy you bring to anything, whether relationships, your business, friendships, your goals, that's gonna determine what comes towards you, bro. You don't attract what you want. You attract who you are. This is law, bro. This is law. Own it. At all times and all circumstances, own that. Because the man who loves himself, he doesn't beg, bro. He doesn't have to chase. Self-love is magnetic, bro. Desperation, that's the poison. That's the stuff that keeps stuff out of your reach. It said in the scripture, the kingdom is within, not in her approval, not in the next promotion, not in the next win, but inside. Stop performing, man. Start being. You've been acting your whole life. Who are you when the mask comes off? That's what you got to get to. Because at the end of the day, the moment, bro, you start running, everything gonna turn around. You're gonna start attracting everything you need. Chasing pushes it away. But stillness and confidence and knowing who you are, that brings you closer, bro. You're not broken, you're not behind. You just distraction, bro. You're distracted. The power is already there. You've been looking the wrong way for a long, long time. You gotta get to the point where you can ask yourself, who am I when nobody is watching? That's the man you're supposed to become. And that man has to be attracted. He cannot be chased. Not tomorrow, not today. No, not tomorrow, but rather today. The second that you decide, bruh, that's when everything will come to you. I'm talking right now. Right now. Don't be a person who chases, bruh. Be a person who attracts. Because the more you chase anything, the more it's gonna run from you. But the more you attract, like a magnet, the more it's gonna come to you and the quicker it's gonna come to you. If you need help with any of this, man, hit the description below, bro. Book you a private one-on-one coaching call for free. And let's see what it looks like with us working together. Let me help you make some of these right choices. Godspeed. Let's get to it.